Advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone. The mobile phone has revolutionized the way we communicate, access information, and navigate our daily lives. Mobile phones offer many advantages. They provide instant connectivity and access to information. You can stay informed and connected with others across the globe. Mobile phones offer a range of features such as navigation, camera, and entertainment. They also enable mobile banking, online shopping, and access to various services, making our lives more convenient. On other hand, mobile phones also have several disadvantages that cannot be ignored. One of the most significant drawbacks is addiction. This can be lead to social isolation and face-to-face interaction. Moreover, excessive use of mobile phones can result in health problems such as eye strain and headaches. Mobile phones can be distraction during driving and lead to accidents. In conclusion, while mobile phones offer numerous advantages, it is essential to be aware of their disadvantages and use them responsibly. By striking a balance between phone use and other aspects of our lives, we can maximize the benefits of mobile phones while minimizing their negative impacts. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.